How long does it take employees to adjust to remote work and why? Hello everyone, I'm Alex from The Agency, making some videos from our terrace due to the coronavirus quarantine lockdown. How long does it take employees to adjust to remote work and why? How long does it take for employees to adjust to a new position in general, or even to start a new job? These new circumstances make us think that we've never really faced a crisis of these characteristics. Yet, is it one of the first challenges that employees are facing? We couldn't fathom how long it would take employees to adjust to the new working systems and to be ready to go back to work. But we knew the longer we did, the longer it would take them. As our team was already productive, our main challenges came from the top: what decisions to make, where to adjust in the company. We couldn't help feel fear, but we knew what our team was capable of and the objectives, so realistically, all we had to do was redefine the strategy. Do you think employees should have been able to match their in-person productivity by now? And if not now, when should they be matching it? A simple question keeps arising. What can we do to keep our team productive? It's quite impractical to expect the same results because the circumstances have changed. This new scenario is just another change for companies to face. The first thing to do is to stop and analyse the company's current situation, considering the team as one of the main pieces in the system, i.e. both as a resource and as people. Then establishing objectives in order to decide on a strategy of which path to follow. After defining the strategy, the next step is to analyse in detail every department of the business. Then dividing tasks, measuring the results, testing the performance, reorganising what needs to be reorganised, correcting mistakes and failures, and then encouraging productivity and participation. In other words, you got to keep the business working as it was before this crisis happened, but being a little bit more attentive and observant to what is actually going on. Recognising what measures prove more efficient and showing to your staff that you are present and committed will allow your staff to just get on with the rest. What are the factors that allow you to obtain the best out of your workers from home? From our experience and point of view, radical changes and over-supervising have led to decreases and increases in quality and productivity. Both the managing team and staff are already coping with their responsibilities and their duties from home in tough circumstances, as well as maintaining sort of an idea of equilibrium and balance. Adding more changes will not only bring in more instability for every member of the team and management, but it will hinder and hurt the already weakened production line.